Ready, sir? Taking. So this song is called Kahan Se Hai Tum, and as I described earlier, it is a song that I've written for my wife or for our first anniversary as a surprise gift. And this is also the song that I sang at Ghostana at the open mic where we all met. So here goes. I'll just sing like half of it. कहाँ से आई तुम मेरे दिल में, कहीं न जाना अब मुश्किल में। कहाँ से आई तुम मेरे दिल में, कहीं न जाना अब मुश्किल में। साथ में रखूंगा जिंदगी भर, कभी न छोड़ूंगा सीने से। तुम में जो सारी सारी बात मुझ में है, वो कमी लेके चलूंगा तुझको साथ, जीवन के हर मोड़ पे, जीवन के हर एक पल में। ख्वाबों को बुनूं तुम्हारे, जी लूंगा जिंदगी दोबारा। मिल गया साथ जो तुम्हारा, तुम ही तो हो। कहाँ से आई तुम मेरे दिल में, कहीं ना जाना। शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया। आशा आपको अच्छा लगा।
बहुत अच्छा।
Strike a Chord, a podcast by Arpana.
Hello and welcome to Strike a Chord. It's been a long time for a new episode, but blame it on the rains. But I have to really thank my two guests, Sahil and Harry. They've come at 10:45 in the night on a weekday to record, and they were hoping that the rains don't ruin this evening, and it didn't. Thank you, Sahil. Thank you, Harry, for being on the show.
Our pleasure, absolutely.
So Sahil, Harry, I've both met you guys individually through open mics, which I used to host at some point, and eventually the open mics became a kind of a full-time music career also after that. Am I wrong? After that, or?
Well, in the starting it was for me, because here I was doing nothing except for a course that I was doing for music production.
Okay.
But like that was a thing that like I thought that I'll do when I'll come to Mumbai.
Yeah. So you were studying music?
Yeah, I was studying. Yes, I was.
You still are, I'm guessing.
I just completed my course, so now
Oh, nice. And Sahil, you come from a business background.
I have, yes.
And
I was in
tell
it for,
us
I was,
about.
Yeah, I was in it for 10 years. Basically, it's a family business. It's a diamond trade. Honestly, it's a diamond trade. Yeah, it's a family business that my dad started. And I graduated from Stanford, actually, which is another interesting part of me, which probably some people won't know.
Tell
I
us.
studied mechanical engineering.
Oh.
So that itself was an interesting shift from mechanical engineering at Stanford to family business with diamond, like full on like Guju Madu diamond trading type.
From South Bombay.
From South Bombay. Yes. And yeah, so I did that for 10 years. It was good while it lasted, learned a lot of things. But then I decided, that music shouldn't just be a hobby for me. And I'll always regret it when I'm 50 that, try bhi nahi kiya, like forget failing or succeeding at it. But I would have always regretted it had I not taken the plunge. So I decided, this is the time. I don't want to live with any regrets, so I'm leaving everything and just pursuing music now. And touch wood, I'm happy with the progress so far that I'm making, the speed of the progress rather that I've had, and hopefully I can do this for the rest of my life.
Okay, we'll talk about your like serious music bit and the future in a bit. But since you guys met at the open mic scene, what do you think about it? Like in terms of what do you say, networking or making friends or making music together? What are your takes on it, Harry? Would you?
That was probably the best thing that happened, like in terms of networking, because I met like so many friends there who were just like
Like
part of my
Sahil.
That's
like
right.
Sahil. Like, yeah, so that includes Jost, Pawan. I met Chirantan Bhatt there, who
Yeah.
that probably changed my life in a way. And
Tell us a little about it. I want to brag. Chiru's my friend.
so pehle to I never knew that he is like this big composer or something. I just ended up there because some friend of mine asked, okay, let's go to this open mic, and I sang the song. I sang one of my originals, and then he came on the stage and he was like, that was pretty good, and he came to me and asked that let's go for a smoke break or something. I said no, I don't smoke, but I can't lose this opportunity. By that time,
So you smoked?
no, I didn't.
He just went for company.
Yeah, I just went for company. And then he said I can hook you up with some people in Bollywood. And I was like, probably. And after a week or 10 days, he called me up, and there was really unexpected, but that happened, and he hooked me up with the music company, and those people signed me up a few months back.
That's great, yeah, Harry. Congratulations on
Congrats,
that
Harry.
break.
We love you, Harry.
We love you, Harry. Don't forget us when you're doing a world tour and all. Huh?
एक दो लाइन हो जाए पहले, आगे चलो उसके, एक दो लाइन हो जाए,
कुछ भी अभी
चल बाद में.
बाद में
please.
जब वो साहिल भी better make sure like इसके साथ autograph सब लेके रखेंगे.
Okay. अभी हो गया है वो.
No, you're not the only rockstar in this room. Now we get to Sahil.
Yes, now let's do that.
What's your journey been like through the open mic, interacting and?
So the open mic is a great thing in the sense that when I decided that this is what I want to do full time and I want to start performing and start getting gigs, I had no clue where to even begin. This is the only thing, I would search for events on Facebook and things music related network events and things like that, and open mics would show up a bunch of times. So that's a nice place to go to gig, and then I figured that any place you propose or other pitch yourself to perform at, they always ask for videos of you performing, and where do you get those videos from, because you haven't performed it, right? So it's this is the only the best way to kind of get some video footage of yourself performing live. And then kind of start from there, and then once you get a few gigs, then you can record at those places and make nice stories out of it, and you get to meet nice people. You get to, I don't know, maybe find potential bandmates. I haven't found that yet,
But you have found a lot of people to listen to you and give feedback and.
That's true. Of course, feedback is always great. Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken, did you have your first full-time show with us?
Yeah, that was a job.
It was a packed house, and I think one of the best selfies we've had post the show.
Glad to hear.
I think it was the first time Ghostana saw a full packed house of South Mumbai people. But this was a fun show. It was a fun show. So how's it been after that? I've been seeing your pictures, you traveling abroad also, doing gigs and...
Yeah, so I mean, honestly, the traveling abroad for gigs is making it sound like I've gone for the gigs, but it was more like I'm going on a holiday, and since I'm going there, I have my guitar with me anyway, so might as well, try to pull whatever strings you have in that place and get some gigs. So I went to Bali.
It makes a good portfolio to put you on Wedding Sutra for all the loaded NRI weddings.
So in fact, the Bangkok gig that I did was it was just 2 songs, but it was at a wedding exhibition, and my cousin's sister works for the magazine that organized that wedding exhibition. So the entire crowd was all the Indians, pretty much most of the Indians that live in Bangkok.
Okay.
Yeah, so they were all attending that.
But
So
your
it was-
songs also super romantic. Like it's like the English version of what you want a whiskey and ghazal thing. It's like in that space, like you need to be with someone. Who's your inspiration?
So, see, some of them I can't share, okay?
Okay.
You know my favorite
We'll
song.
forgive you.
Your favorite song, Radha Kahan Se Aayi Tum, you know
Yeah.
what that's about. That was for my wife for our first anniversary. There was a gift that I wrote that song for her. And yeah, it's various
That's
things,
sweet.
various people. Some of them are not, I mean, again, I'm being very honest, but some of them are not about anybody. It's just songs that I've written, out of imagination.
Basically, you're
It's
an
not
eternal
all-
romantic.
Basically, I like watching chick flicks.
Maybe
I
like
won't
after
deny.
you get married, you have to say that. Maybe, but okay.
नहीं
We'll
यार,
take that answer.
सचमुच है उसके songs में इतना प्यार है, इतना प्यार है.
That's why I'm saying that we'll take that answer. Okay. It's okay.
So, you guys, have you all done anything together or?
We did one collaboration. He asked me, "Ki, let's do something," and I went to his place. We did one song, and it's up on YouTube. It's up on his channel, and we got some really good reviews. He did a really good job in producing that track.
No, you did a really good job.
Well, I just
Production was very basic, but the melodies, the back and forth that
no,
we
that
had
was just
to
both.
figure out the
That
melodies
was
and the
just both,
lyrics,
but that was
magic. And it was, in a way, it was an interesting experience for me because I have written very few songs with somebody else.
Okay.
So when I write songs myself, I usually like pump it out within an hour and a half. I don't go back to it. I don't change anything. Once it's out, it's out. That's
Okay.
it. That's
But
how
with
it is.
me, like I
But I had
can.
to have a lot of patience when I was doing with Harry because he's very into it and he's very particular. नहीं यार ये ऐसे नहीं
Yes.
ऐसे करते हैं. And then next वो सोचेगा ऐसे नहीं वैसे कर like it really
Because the thing with
challenges
me
you in a way.
that I never complete my song in an hour or even 2-3 hours. Like my song take around 1 or 2 months.
Wow.
Like to be exact, but like there are some specific songs जो like 1 या 2 घंटे में हो गए लेकिन but like most of them I take around 1, 2, 3, 4 months even. So like that was a great experience for me because we completed that song in 2.5 hours I guess.
Wow.
Yeah.
And with the recording.
Yes,
Don't
with
forget
the
that,
recording,
with
with the
recording
recording.
vocals and stuff. And then later I did the
Yeah.
production.
It's
for it.
like Gaurav Javani marries Mohit Mukhi. Mohit will take months to make one song and Gaurav like song a day.
Gaurav is a machine, man. He's got what, like some 500 songs?
And like maybe even more than that, but उनके पास count नहीं रहा होगा अभी तो 500 plus.
So since you brought up Gaurav, it's interesting because the open mic that we met at was hosted by Gaurav.
Yes.
That's when I met Gaurav also for the first time, and I just remember very vividly the way he introduced Harry before he came up to sing. He was describing him as
That
a
was
mix of
something.
Atif and Arijit, and he's like so humble, and when you hear his voice, the ground just slips beneath your feet, and and
That was
and
just
after I heard him, that was
The perfect
exactly how I felt. I was like, wow, God, like I hope you can describe me like this one day.
that was like I was expecting someone else after that. Like, I don't know what the. But okay.
So humble, I tell you, this
Yeah,
guy.
I know. Harry, who have been your inspirations? I know one, but I would like you to tell us like.
So like there have been many. So like I have been listening to a lot of songs, like a lot of genres in a way. So I started because I was in Punjab. So like all of my friends are listening to Punjabi music.
Yeah.
So in that genre, I liked Amrinder Gill a lot.
Okay.
So he's one of the really melodic voices in Punjab. And then when I started exploring more Bollywood or Western music, then I found Nikhil D'Souza, Ash King, Pratik Kuhad, Ankur Tiwari. Like even when I met Ankur Tiwari, that was like one of my best days, I would say. And
Can I tell you the date? It was 13th August when he had hosted the open mic.
That's amazing. But like I'm just not that good. But if I would have said that, I would have been just so good.
When did I host Alpana? You remember?
I'll tell you
I
why.
hosted.
Because that was the last day. We were going under renovation next day.
Wow.
And it was so
that
amazing.
Was the last open mic that we
No,
had?
that was the last day. We were going under full renovation,
Ah.
like to be completely just a events place, and it was amazing because AC nahi chal raha tha. We were all sweating it out, but we still had a good night. You make up the difference. I'm asking him the inspirations in terms of music, and I've asked you inspirations in terms of person.
Okay, yeah, that was like that.
That's because
Tell about all your girlfriends. Yeah, what is this?
No, like there haven't
Don't
been
feel shy,
many
it's okay.
girlfriends, but yeah, like I can say that we can get some inspiration from people. There can be girls or
आजकल तो सब
friends
चलता है,
around
सब,
us.
हाँ.
Okay.
Girls, boys, all good रहा.
That's
कुछ
all.
problem ही नहीं है.
No, but like I guess when you are married, you can say that. But when you are single, you have to say that too.
Also, he's like 10 years younger than me. Just FYI.
it's okay. It's just not
Exactly.
a-
Yeah.
He calls me bhaiya. He says, "Ah,
Aw.
I just feel so old, no."
Thank God he's not called me auntie yet. I would be like.
Yes, funny.
We
What-
just recently actually we did a gig together
Oh.
for the first time.
Yes.
And
Before that, I have opened for him, and that was a great night too.
That's true. That's true.
But, yeah.
But this was an interesting thing because the guy, it was a campsite in Kajat, and the guy just called me. He was like, I'm looking for an act this weekend. Our guy is backed out, and you had written to us some time back. So will you be interested? I was like, yeah, cool. And then he's like, how do you perform? I was like, I usually perform as a solo act, with my guitar singing, and that's my style. He was like, oh, but we only do duos or more. I was like, okay, so let me make some calls. And obviously I just called him first, and I told the guy, so both of us will go. He's a singer-songwriter, I'm a singer-songwriter. We'll do he'll sing some of his songs, I'll sing some of my songs, we'll do some covers, and then we'll play together. Like he plays the kawan as well. So it turned out to be a great night, man, and very interesting journey
Yeah.
to that place, which
It was good. It was crazy at the same time.
yeah,
But yeah, it's good.
looking forward to many more like that.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Sure thing. And like our set that we played together, that was probably the best, of the
It
whole
was,
thing.
yeah.
Yeah. It was good. It was really good.
So what's the next step? Like, Harry, you want to start with? We'll start with you.
I came here to learn, and that's still my goal. I'm still learning. I have joined a few classes, vocal classes, guitar classes, and so that's the only plan. And by that time, I'm planning to release some of my music too.
Okay.
And I've actually completed recording one song that will be coming out in a month, and it's a Punjabi song, and some people back in Chandigarh, they sponsored it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I just played one gig there for them. That was for free, but now just that's a fortune, because everything and anything can bring some really good opportunities in your life, and that's just how I have been living my life. That's
Nice. But I think learning is never ending.
yeah, that's never ending thing. And music, I think
That's true.
it goes till end.
The teacher I learned from, actually, there's a teacher who teaches me Indian classical, तो नहीं बोलूँगा because I'm not really that hardcore about classical, but just to make my voice
training.
move the way it should
Yeah.
should move rather. So she's still learning also from somebody.
Okay.
So it's pretty interesting because
Yes, even my teachers, both of them are still learning.
yeah, it's amazing. It's a little overwhelming that कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगा class, but if you enjoy it, then nothing
Yeah.
like it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there was this thing that maybe Bade Ghulam Ali Sahab or something, he said while he was dying or taking his last breath, he said, "Abhi to सा लगाना सीखा था."
Wow.
Which is I mean, that person is saying कि अभी सा लगाना सीखा, मतलब हमने तो क्या ही किया था.
Wow, I didn't know of that. Yeah, thanks for
Yes.
sharing. So, if our listeners want to get in touch with you, what are the platforms you guys are comfortable or most active and approachable? Would you like to share the details of that, whether it's Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, email, jo bhi?
So Arpana is my manager. Everything goes through her.
Yeah,
You can ask her how she'd like to be contacted.
I would just I would just forward it.
And find me on one of the posts of Sahil Dandia, I guess. Because that's all the fame that I have got.
Oh, please. So I guess jokes apart, for me it's Instagram. That's
Okay.
what I use
Please
outright.
spell it out because I have changed your spelling and spelling in so many creatives.
INST Insta.
I have to tell everyone this. When we had our first show with you, how many times did I had to get your spelling changed in the poster?
You know what the worst that's happened is it's been DHANDA, like dhanda hi bana diya. Like really, like you
They're like,
that
"Gujju
person must be
Marwadi."
out of hearing. Like, and after like getting my full profile and
Makes
all
sense
my
though,
social
right?
handles, like people have just hired such like. I mean, not you. Your team is really good, but I mean,
I don't know. I get
like
even
really,
when
yeah.
someone emails me arpana.gwalani whatever still addresses dear Miss Aparna, Miss Kalpana. So I get it totally. Yes. So yeah.
So yeah, it's Sahil, Sahil, and the last name is Dhandia, which is Dhandhia. So the thing to remember is it has two H's, DHA and DHIA, and ends with IA.
That's
So it's Sahil Dhandhia. That's my Instagram handle. That's where I'm the most active.
Harry
Keep-
simple. Harry this side.
Yeah, really.
that's not that side, but this side. that's the joke that I crack like everywhere. But yeah, it's the same thing for me, like Instagram or YouTube. But yeah, mostly Instagram.
Okay. Thank you so much for being on the show.
We're done.
You have something more to say. We'll say.
I was just getting started.
So continue. I don't know what to ask you, so you please tell me.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. So now what next, Sahil? Give us
I
some
was actually going to
I
ask
think-
you what's next, Arpana, because that was my question outside. You nicely ignored me.
What's next?
Yeah.
I'm kind of taking a break right now.
Okay,
I definitely am enjoying the podcast thing, and I'll see how it goes. I mean, I've been in the hotel industry 20 years, running Gostana for 11 years without a break.
That's
So I
a long
need
time.
this break. May come back, may do something drastic, but as of now, I'm enjoying this podcast thing. It's been a bit of a slow thing because of the rains, World Cup, ek ke baad ek.
Yeah.
But I'm hoping this is something people enjoy because I'm enjoying it. And it's thanks to you guys that I'm enjoying it. But khane pine ka we'll see. Y'all can always call me and tell me that, can you cook for us? I will do that.
No,
Most welcome.
But we all miss Gostana so much. Like it
Yeah.
has been a great.
We can have house parties here. I
Yeah,
hosted a house gig last month, by the way, with Space
Okay.
Sessions, and we can have our own house gig here.
Let's do that.
Mostly hosting one more. These people have approached me. The first ever so far gig which happened in Bombay was in this house in the living room here in
How long back was that?
2012
Wow,
or
that's
so.
amazing, huh?
Yeah, we had
Amazing.
Sid Kuto, Alicia Pace, Discordian, and Nikhil D'Souza.
Awesome.
Yes, it was the first ever. Even we didn't know what to expect, but it was so nice that my parents went and got vada paos for everyone in the audience. So yeah, we did another gig after a very long time last month, and yeah, that's another space which I am more than happy to to get back to house gigs. Maybe we can later plan something, but
let's do
Space
that.
Sessions is something I'm looking forward to doing again. There's some other living room thing also. Let's see if that
There's a
works
bunch of
out.
them.
Let's
Yeah.
do that.
If not, then if you're missing Gostana, you came to my room. All the Gostana, George Harrison guitar hai.
Yes.
All the posters are there. So we'll
Yeah.
do an house gig and then we'll go to the room. We'll set up a nice buffet there and then you can eat the
Let's
food.
do that.
It's
Let's
getting me
totally do
hungry
that.
now only. You have some leftovers or
I told you today we didn't cook, but you'll always get something. In fact, when I was just telling my friend we're recording tonight, she's like, "Oh, after us with Arpana." I'm like,
Dude, there's some shady shows that come on the radio, man. At 12:01, I don't know if you guys ever listen to like the regular radio. It's like 12 se 2, like Bhabhi ka
Yeah.
show, like some shady stuff goes on.
I don't know,
And the
but-
guy talks and like, क्या आपने ये गाना बहुत पसंद किया? And then they call their callers and they call their.
That's,
why do you listen to that?
Yeah, that, I was gonna say that what happened.
It's a one-time thing. It wasn't a regular.
No,
Just
that's-
happened to stumble upon it.
No, that's what happened when you know leave everything and start doing music. Music.
This was
Okay.
also before I was married. if my wife is listening to this, I don't still listen to these shows.
I mean, you're right, because now that he's married and now that I don't have a full-time job, even I'm more Luka. But last week I went to Bandra and I forgot to carry my headphones, and I had to be tortured throughout the journey with this Uber guy. And I don't have the heart to tell him not to listen to it because he was so into it. I don't want to name the artist who was being interviewed on the radio show, but he kept bragging about how he is so proud of, digging his nose in public. I'm like,
What?
this is the crap which is going on. Sorry.
Kinky people out there.
और क्या और बताओ?
No, we don't do that. But yeah, do you have anything?
2 लाइन हो जाए हरी भाई बस.
What about you?
कुछ कर सकते हैं.
गिटार ला दे.
Punjabi.
So this song I wrote when I was really frustrated, and I hope कि ये गाना frustrated ना लगे आपको या फिर frustrating ना लगे आपको. But yeah, so this is basically on my musician life, like मेरी journey पे जैसे जैसे journey चल रही थी और society खिलाफ थी उस journey के, ये उस journey पे गाना लिखा हुआ है. तो इस गाने का नाम है जीना है तो जी, एंड उसकी नेक्स्ट लाइन है मरना है तो मर. इसके आगे का सस्पेंस में रखते हैं. लोगों की सुनते सुनते मैं जी रहा था, लो मैं खो गया इस दुनिया में अकेले. ख्वाबों को सोते सोते जो मैं पिरोता था, रे भूल गया कैसे लेते हैं सपने. नन्नार 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 जीना है तो जी, मरना है तो मर, कुछ करके दिखाना है तो दिल की तू सुन ले. अभी अभी
Wow, what a way to end the show. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Strike a Chord, a podcast by Arpana.